Hello and welcome. In this video I create a Kubernetes cluster with Microk8s for the Rancher. Cluster required 3 hosts. Installing Microk8s, use snap install command and install version 1.19. Repeat those commands on all 3 hosts. Then add to your user permission to control Microk8s. And relogin to hosts. And run those commands on all hosts on cluster. Then make cluster fault tolerant. Next, restart Microk8s service. Let's check Microk8s status. Ha is not yet ready. Run Microk8s add node command, which creates token for other host join on cluster. Those command runs only one other host. OK, now all hosts are joining to cluster. Now cluster is ready. Thanks for watching and see you soon.